Most people spend their lives reacting to problems. They stay busy, but they never move far ahead. Strategic thinking is different. Like a chess master, it helps you see several moves ahead. Instead of focusing only on today, strategic thinkers focus on where they want to be in the future. The first step is understanding yourself. Think like the CEO of your own life. Study your successes and failures. They contain valuable clues about your strengths. Great results begin with a clear vision. Build the blueprint before building the future. Work backwards from your goals. Every small step should move you closer to your destination. Your environment shapes your choices. Make good habits easier than bad ones. Small changes in your surroundings can create big improvements in your daily actions. Resources are not meant to be spent. They are meant to grow and multiply. Strategic thinkers don't avoid all risks. They choose smart risks with bigger rewards. Learning is one of the most powerful investments you can make. The best learners connect ideas together. That's where real growth happens. Success is rarely a solo journey. Strong relationships open new opportunities. A valuable network becomes a force multiplier for everything you do. Treat your career like a platform, not just a ladder. Build skills that create future opportunities. Money is not the final goal. It's a tool that helps create freedom and possibilities. Your health is the foundation of every achievement. Protect your energy carefully. Focused work creates extraordinary results. Deep concentration is a superpower. Creativity is not luck. It comes from connecting ideas in new ways. Every decision,